Ano, nababad na ako dito, oh. Baka pwede mo namang, hoy, ano daw? Anong pwede mo namang? Tama na nga.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! Go! Adik!
Big mom ng one piece with a polka dot. I'm guessing, sexy yun. Teka lang, big mom. Sira ka ulo kayo, ah!
Ano nga po order nila, sir? Wait lang, pinapalit ko pa, sir.
Bakla ako noon. Mabuhay ang bakla ng Pilipinas!
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! Go! Adik! Nagkakantaan ko pa to! Bente kami! Balikan niyo daw! Balikan niyo daw! Sira ang microphone! Bato! 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 Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! Go! Adik! Stop! Stop!
Nitong mga kama ng mga mahihinang taong tulad.
Couldn't sleep.
Alright, I'll call you an Uber.
Baby, there's something I wanna say. Walang gubi someone. Trip kita kasi alam mo paano maghimay. Walang papanis sa'yo, oh baby, lakang kapantay. Ikaw lang nakapagpalabas ng ibang side.
Ngayon magluluto tayo ng ilagay natin yung ito natin yung lagay natin yung mga saluin natin yung mga isa natin yung mga lagay natin yung dalawang yung madaming lagyan natin yung konting tapos saluin natin yung mga tapos natin yung ganyan.
Receipt. Wait, they bought a Switch? I know what to do with this. Excuse me, where are your guys' Nintendo Switches?
The second floor electronic.
Yeah, that one should be fine. Help me cover this one, Rainbet. Okay, now let's just try and return it.
Just a return?
Yeah, I wanted to make a return.
Okay, just back to the original debit card.
Can you guys do cash?
Did you not have the debit card with you?
It's just, I would prefer cash, I guess.
I would probably have to call up the managers because it's such a large amount.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, it worked!
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! Go! Adik!
Walang salang ikinulong, palayain ng
feud po ang magaganap ngayon.
Wala akong pamilya ho ngayon dito.
Naglaya si Mister. Saan kaya siya pupunta?
Sa library, sa sementeryo po. Hingi po siya advice.
Sa kabit niya po.
Family Feud, 5:35 p.m.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Dog! Adik!
Y'all got the Epstein cake? At the Epstein cake? Shit!
You like him? That is the first time I see a picture.
Wow! You're invited to my son's 6th birthday party. Playing Rainbit? You're invited, bro. I'm playing Twister in my basement later. You wanna come?
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Dog! Adik!
Do you guys sell iPhones here?
Yeah, it should be on the electronic area.
Let me just do a quick spin on pack drop before I pay for these.
Nice.
Over the sensors. No way.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit!
There's nothing in the cake. Nothing.
FDA approved po ba yan?
Ako na mag-a-approve.
Outfit ko bukas lang.
Umabsent ka na lang. Maraming yaman.
Pwede sa college na may dala-dala pa ni mama sa enrollment. Sus, wala ka lang nanay eh. Blinok ako. Ha 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 ha.
Get Wilson Inal. Anak.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Dog! Adik!
Excuse me, do you guys have iPhones?
Yeah, they should be over there in the electronics area.
Alright, nice. They gave me the phone. Alright, these nuggets were expensive. Come on, Rainbits. Yeah, I'm excited to open this up. They're doing like a sweepstakes. In one random bag, there's an iPhone. So I'm trying to find it. Thank you. Oh my god.
No way.
To be honest, wala kami nararamdaman ng mga babae pag kami lang nag-finger sa sarili namin. Pero pag ibang tao nag-finger sa amin, dun may meron kami nararamdaman. Ito, answering this with like genuine answer talaga to, hindi to biro-biro lang. Dun sa scandal ko, putang ina, marunong na ako mag-fake moan. Pero putang ina, but hello? Daw, bakit ako sa inyo? Wait, natatawa kasi ako eh, pero putang ina. Basta, DM mo na lang ako, i-voice message ko na lang sa'yo yung ungol ko.
Spin on backdrop. This is for Jeffrey Epstein. Thank you. Oh my god, Jeffrey Epstein.
Sorry?
Jeffrey Epstein. It's gift for you. It's present for you.
Oh no.
Okay?
Oh no. No, you're fine. Thank you.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Dog! Adik!